Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use XING Premium features? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and search for xing.com and make sure that you're logged into the account. Now, in order to go ahead and use the premium features, you'll need to get premium first. So simply go ahead and click on this Go Premium button right over here. I'm not going to be getting any right now, but I'll just show you exactly how you can go ahead and do it and what are all the benefits of having your premium. So first things first, there are three things that you can go ahead and get with premium. So number one is going to be boosting your visibility. So you can also understand about all your profile visitors, see when and how many times someone visited your profile, see profile visitors over time, browse profile visitors statistics, see how people found you, see what you have in common with the profile visitors. So that is the number one thing that you will have a benefit over normal people. So another one is going to be highlighting your profile, highlighting your top 3 skills, display up to 5 entries in your business card, add a cover image to your business card, add a profile status, and edit suggestions. Get the premium badge for your profile, showcase your professional self with videos. Then other one is going to be get or viewing statistics to see how your skills are performing and get your profile highlighted in search results. And you will also go ahead and boost your visibility by showing you how often you appeared in search results and how often your profile is shown to other members. The second one is going to be growing your network. So monthly message limit for non-contacts is going to be 5. You can simply go ahead and message 5 people every month that is not on your contact. You can also tag and manage your contacts up to 2,000 and also search more efficiently, get access to additionally search fields, so you can search for more than 300 people, and you can also go ahead and get ahead by discovering your strengths areas for growth, reading exclusive articles about job related topic free of charge, then benefits from exclusive offers from select partners, and contacting their premium customer service for assistance. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Just go ahead and click on Go Premium now and just add your card details and everything, and you can simply go ahead and buy it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.